As you can tell by the title of this video, you will be learning today if a mechanical keyboard / mechanical switches are worth the extra dollar you pay. So first we have to establish what the difference is. The difference is that with a mechanical switch, you have a tactile feedback, you have the clickiness, this. With a membrane switch, you only have, or rather a membrane key, you only have the mushiness and the rubber dome to actually, you don't have the mechanical, you don't have the piece inside of the mechanical switch that actually makes the tack, the nice click. So you can lift your fingers off faster. You know exactly when the key actuates. So rather with membrane, where you just are guessing when it actuates, you click it and you're like, did it actuate or not? You don't know. That increases your speed, your typing speed. Because with a mechanical keyboard, you know you can just lift your finger off right when you feel the tack and move to the next and just keep on doing that and flow really nicely. Rather with a membrane where you just keep on guessing where you actuate. So is it actually gonna give you better performance? With me, it actually did. So I loaded up TypeRacer and I did 5 separate tests on each keyboard, and the scores will be on the screen. To the right will be the membrane, and to the left will be the mechanical. So as you can see, the scores do differ. My accuracy was lower with the mechanical keyboard. That might have just been my error or the day I did it, but it does feel like I make a little more errors on this keyboard, but I do type faster. Rather with the membrane, I didn't make very many mistakes. I just breezed through that, but I was slower. So if you want the most accuracy you can get, then you're going to go membrane. But if you want the fastest with just the slightest bit of accuracy down, you'll go with mechanical. There's also many different switches for mechanicals. There's clear, there's speed, there's green, red, blue. I don't even know all of them out there, but you can go look up a YouTube video of all the different ones, and then I'll show you the different actuation forces and the different clicks. My favorite is blue because I like how it clicks and the nice tactile feedback. But people differ with opinion, obviously. So just find your favorite and then buy that. Don't go out buy your like a RyZen high-end $100 one. Those really, there's no real difference between the low end and the high end with mechanical keyboards. Well, I mean, there's a build difference. The build quality is a little different. But really, if you just want to get entered into it, the Red Dragon Vara something, I'll have the link in the description. That's mine, and I do personally recommend it. I like that keyboard. I've had it for about like 2 weeks now, and I've really noticed an improvement. So, but if you don't want really clicky, this isn't the keyboard for you. But past that, back to the question, is it actually worth buying a mechanical keyboard? And I think it definitely is. If you want super cheap, then just go with a membrane. But if you want actual quality and you want to type a little faster, then go ahead and get yourself a mechanical. It's not going to give you huge improvements of like 180 words per minute. It's just going to give you that little improvement. And in my personal opinion, I do like the little improvement and the nice sound to it. So yes, the answer is yes. So at the end segment of this video, I will be showing you the clips sped up of me typing the tests for each keyboard. So you can go ahead and look at that. The membrane will be first and the mechanical will be last. So there you go. That's the video. You are not allowed to subscribe. You're not allowed to like. You're not allowed to comment. Just after this video is done, go ahead and escape or turn off your phone, whatever you got to do. Just do not like, subscribe, or comment at all. You're not allowed. Have a terrible rest of your day. Hope you didn't enjoy it, and you're not allowed to check out any more of my videos.